This problem is asking me if the triangles are similar. To find out if they're similar, the sides would have to be proportional. So the corresponding sides are proportional. So to find corresponding sides, I'll take one symbol, like I'll take a circle and put it around my smaller sides of the triangle that are marked, and I'll put a square around my bigger sides that I have. So if this is true, what I know is that circle over circle needs to equal square over square. So in other words, is 24 over 66, is that going to be equal to 28 over 77? So I can reduce these fractions. 24 over 66, if I were to divide by 6, I end up that is 4/11. This is if I take this one and divide by 6. And this one, if I divide by 7 on the top and the bottom, I should really divide by 7 on the top and the bottom, and we're dividing by 6 on the top and the bottom. I divide by 7 on the top and the bottom. Again, I get 4/11. So the answer is yes, they are proportional. In fact, our scale factor is 4 to 11. So are these triangles similar? The answer is yes. How do we know? Well, what we have is we have here on this one, we have a side, and then I have vertical angles, angle, side. On this side, on this triangle, I have side, angle, side. So the answer is going to be, I know because of side, angle, side similarity. And then finally, when I look at my triangles, do this in blue so we can see it, I see that T corresponds with T. If I look at R is across from my circle, as is N, so R corresponds with N. And finally, S is across from my biggest side, my square, as is M. So S corresponds with M. So as long as T and T are corresponding, R and N are corresponding, and S and M are corresponding, that's fine. So I'll call this one TRS is the same as TNM, but of course I could have done any combination like this. So again, I could have said STR, for example, is similar to triangle, M is similar to S, put a triangle here, T is similar to T, and R is similar to N. So I could have had any of these so long as it matches up with that.